No, you good, you good. Yeah. Nigga lit. Oh! Well, you do that. I take videos. Cause I like me a nice M3. Beamer Fest. And when the heck gonna happen? Niggas need to know when that happens. Oh, you know the party's over, boys. Uh-oh. Popo here. Everybody dipping now. Go catch him, fuck. He ain't gonna do shit. Uh-oh. They see me rolling. They hating. Cause he wanna catch a couple niggas riding dirty. Go home, dog. Go home. This nigga wild, so he want to get a ticket. Oh, that nigga about to be on that. Nigga be on that ass. Nigga on that ass. Someone call for backup? Oh, you let him go. Yeah, because the car can't really go that fast. It can't do burnouts. The boys are here, right? Boy number 1. Boy number 2. Get from that truck. Right there. Boy number 3. We're done. And they out, boy. Woo! Go on. I got all the time in the world. There you go. Come on. Oh, there's 370. You snuck it. 350, 370. Damn, everybody. There it is. There's the M4. Oh, shit. Hello, baby. The Hemis? Oh, you're not a... Oh. You probably hit the badge for me, I don't know. No, you're the Daytona. Fucking 60.